What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you some of the fundamentals of a sales process, and this goes for selling any sort of product. Okay, so this is like obviously you're gonna have some differences in the products that you sell. Some of them take a long time to sell, some of them are sold in a matter of minutes with a fairly short sales process, but they all kind of follow this general pattern that you should find useful if you are looking into getting into sales, or if you have a business and you're looking to get more customers or more clients. So without further ado, when you contact a customer, they're going to start out right here at the bottom. Okay, now as soon as you tell them about what your offer is, actually let's move that down a little bit. They're going to start there. As soon as you tell them about what the offer, what you can do for them, their interest is going to start going up, right? They're going to be getting excited. You're going to tell them, I can help you get more clients, I can make you lose weight, I can make you look like a sexier person, blah, blah, blah. They're thinking to themselves, wow, oh my God, this sounds amazing, this is great, okay? Then what happens is, you're going on with your pitch, right? You're telling them more, oh my God, we've got these benefits and these benefits and these ones and these ones. They're getting more and more excited. What happens then, right? So actually we'll call this one intro. Now, of course, this right here, this is assuming that they don't just they're not like, oh, I'm not interested. No, don't call me anymore, right? This is assuming that they hear you out, like you say, like, hey, we've got this cool thing. Do you want to hear about it? And they're like, yeah, sure, tell me, right? And then you tell them and they're like, oh, wow, that sounds pretty cool, okay? That's assuming this happens, all right? Now, if you're in sales, that will happen sometimes. From cold leads, probably less often than hot leads, but anyway, we get here and then we get to this point, we start telling them benefits. I have awesome handwriting, I know. Okay, so intro, whoa, we've got this cool thing, it does amazing stuff, oh my God, I love it. And then benefits, yeah, and it does all this other cool stuff, wow, oh my God. And then they get to here and you hear, oh, but how much is it, right? They're like, I love it. But how much? Okay, and then what happens? It doesn't matter. Okay, so here's the thing with sales. The price doesn't matter. Okay, in where I used to work, they would say price is just a number. Now I used to work in retail where the price was flexible, and if we wanted to, we could reduce the price. Right? We had deals we could give, and we had a main price and a minimum price we could sell it for. So basically, we had the main price and a minimum price we could sell it for. But the manager would tell us, don't start out at a low price, because it doesn't matter what price you tell the customer. It's not the money, it's not the amount of money that matters to a certain degree. It's the fact that they're going to need to part with some of their money. Right, it's the actual act of spending money itself that's hard for them. Okay, so what's going to happen to their interest level when they get here is it's going to drop. Okay, it's going to go down, boom, 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 boom. It's going to go back to where it started, and they're thinking, shit, I'm gonna have to pay money. I got to pay bills. I got to pay child support. I got to pay for all this stuff, and they're going to come back here again. Okay, now what we want to do immediately after we tell them the price is we want to go back to more benefits. Right, so we're going to say, yes, now it's $600 or $900 or $150 a month. Benefits. Okay, now it costs this much money, it's $9 million, whatever it is, right? And you get a lifetime guarantee, and you get a 2-week trial, and you have a money-back guarantee if you don't like it, ironclad proof, whatever. And you also get this free t-shirt and, right? So now they're thinking to themselves, wow, oh my gosh, well, I get all this free stuff also? That's actually pretty cool. All right, so we get their interest level back up with that. Okay, now it's very important. Well, just think of it like that. And then what you can do, okay, is to get them to go up even higher is you give them a discount, all right? Now, a lot of people will tell you, don't give a discount until they say no, all right? But my personal opinion is that if they say no, you're going to have a much harder time getting them to change their mind to say yes, as opposed to if they just say yes right away because the offer you give them is just like that amazing, right? So, and we get this lifetime guarantee, blah, blah, blah. And today we have a special promotion, 50% off, 20% off. You get one more, buy one, get one, whatever it is, right? You give them that discount. And then the discount is essentially your way of closing, right? So by you offering that discount, you're essentially saying like, okay, the pitch is over. It did cost this much, but now it only costs this much. What do you think? Do you want to buy it? Yes or no? And then you can go one of two ways, right? They can either say yes, in which case you can start the entire process over again and try and sell something if you want, right? Go back to like sell another product. Or if they say no, then you can try and reiterate some of the benefits, maybe give them another discount, or maybe they're just like not interested in whatever it is and you can move on to another lead. Okay, but this right here, this is the sales process essentially for everything. Okay, now if you have a digital product that you're selling, like where did I get this from? I honed this after years of selling. Okay, this was the exact process that I would use when I would sell products, and I was always the top salesperson, if not one of the top salesperson at every organization I worked for in the past 5-6 years, right? Out of a total of 7. So, you know, I didn't just like make this up off the top of my head. And where I originally got this idea from was infomercials, right? Where they'll say like, oh, do you have this problem? Well, guess what? We've got this really awesome thing and it does this and it does this. Normally it costs this much and you get this, this, and this. Plus today, if you call right now, right, it's literally the exact same thing, okay, that I just essentially stole from infomercials. And that's it, really. And made this totally awesome graph. Cool. So if you guys have any questions about sales process or about selling, how to sell or anything like that, feel free to leave a comment, ask me. I'll be happy to answer those questions. If you guys are looking for free help on making money online or getting leads for your business, I have a free consultation where we can hop on the phone and do some work together and talk about how we can help you out. Plus, I do 2 weeks for free. Okay, so if you want free help for 2 weeks, I can help you out. Cool? Sorry, there's something distracting going on outside. I can't concentrate. Anyway, subscribe. Peace.